people, what a day, what a day. So I had, for the most part, a really good day, but now it's kind of cold here in Pennsylvania, and look at what the hell I just came through. A trailer park that led to a ditch in wilderness, and right now I'm going through the parking lot to try to find some motherfucking NyQuil, because the bitch got the sniffles running. And as you can see, ain't shit around here, but it looks like a Mexican taco truck over there. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do, but I'm trying to find me a gas station. We'll see, but I'm gonna follow the Mexican lights and see where this goes. Okay, onward bound. Another adventure in No-No Land. Ta-ta. So, I'm walking back to my hotel. I found a Wawa's, and I got some stuff for my sniffles. And I'm crossing the parking lot, and I really feel like I'm in the Blair Witch Project. And I hope that that cat that saved that young child is out here, honey, to save me if something tries to catch me. Because this is desolate, boom back. I don't know if I scream rape, nobody's gonna hear me. Sure ain't gonna hear me if I scream fire, because ain't shit around me to burn. So I'm just kind of gagging and missing New York with their blaring sirens and their nosy people. Because the shade is, there's nobody to throw shade at out here. And I'm scared of the dark. Anywho, gotta go. Yeah, girl. It's feast out here.